Hi there, this is Akhil from Fair and Square Reviews, and today we have the Realme 2 Pro for unboxing. So without any delay, let's get into the unboxing of this budget smartphone under 15k. This is the retail unit and I have ordered the base variant of 4GB 64GB. So this is how the box looks like, and it is a plain white box with Realme branding on top of it. So inside the box we have some paperwork on top of the TPU case. So let's keep this paperwork aside. This case actually looks pretty good, and as the TPU case is having the cutout for finger, there is going to be a fingerprint scanner. So this is the main content of the box, that is the Realme 2 Pro unit. Let's just keep it aside for a while and check what else do we get in the box. So this is the charger and its rating is 5 volt 2 ampere. Let me just zoom in if you can see on it. So this is a 10 watt charger, not a fast charger, and there is a USB cable inside the box, and that as this isn't a fast charger, it should be a micro USB cable. Let's just confirm it once. Yes, it is a micro USB cable. Let us keep all these things apart and have a close look at the phone. The phone comes in a plastic casing. It is a wrapper, we can say. Let's remove this wrapper, and here is the phone. The ocean blue colored Realme 2 Pro. This is looking actually really cool with 6.3-inch edge-to-edge display with a drop notch. On the right side we have the lock button. On the left we have volume rockers and SIM tray. On the back it has a dual rear camera setup with a fingerprint scanner and Realme branding. On the bottom it has the USB charging port, 3.5mm headphone jack and the speakers. On the top and bottom there is a noise cancellation mic. Let me just remove this small sticker so that we can have a better look. The pack actually looks very shiny and reflective, so I don't know if you are able to see it properly. I'll just show you how it looks with the TPU case. The case fits pretty snugly on the phone and the camera bumps are properly covered. So after this, let's now boot the phone for the very first time. It says Realme powered by Android. I think it will take some time to set up the phone. Till then, just go through the phone specifications. So this is how the home screen looks like. The water drop notch looks pretty amazing and the fluidity looks decent, although not very great. So talking about the phone, there are a lot of pre-installed apps. The scrolling and response is good enough with Snapdragon 660 chipset. This is a 64GB unit and I think it's having 47GB as available. And the phone comes with the Android 8.1 Oreo out of the box. The phone comes with the face unlock feature, so let's check how fast it works. Let's set the face data. Yes, we are all set. So we'll just check how it works. Just lock. and unlock. Yes, lock, unlock. Yeah, it's pretty good working. It's decently fast. There is just a fraction of a second between pressing lock button and unlocking the phone, so this is a good thing. Also, there is a split screen option in the phone, and you have to just slide with the 3 fingers to enter into the split screen mode. Let me just show you how it works. I'll just open this Chrome app and slide with 3 fingers. I felt sometimes like touch response is not the quickest one, so this is how the split screen mode looks like, and this is pretty useful, I feel. And we can exit from this mode by clicking the exit button on the top right corner. Yeah, so now comes the main thing, that is the dual rear camera setup, which is 16 plus 2 megapixel with f1.7. This sounds good, but let's check out the camera with some samples. Let me take some snaps for you. The focusing seems to be quite fast, as well as the shutter speed. I'll do the detailed camera review for this phone. Till then you can go through this camera samples. From the samples I felt like it can strongly compete with the Redmi Note 5 Pro and the Nokia 6.1 Plus. I'll do the video on that later. The camera is actually good and the images are mostly sharp. You can see the portrait mode as well. One more thing we can check is the sound quality from the speakers. Let's enjoy this audio. By the time I have my juice. Sound quality is good, not very loud although. The phone seems to be a good option in the budget segment and could be a good choice over Redmi Note 5 Pro or the Nokia 6.1 Plus. So this was the Realme 2 Pro. I hope you have got a fair idea about how this retail unit is. So do like and share this video, subscribe my channel for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, see you again in the next one.